I meet with potential clients, one of the most common things I hear is, I want a will so my family can avoid probate. It's a persistent and harmful myth. Many people are surprised that when I explain that having a will doesn't avoid probate, it actually requires it. Let me break it down for you. When someone passes away with a will, the will needs to go through probate. This is a legal process where the court validates the will and appoints a personal representative, which we used to call an executor, to handle the estate. So why is probate necessary? Well, first, it ensures that the will is legitimate. The court checks that it was properly signed, that the person creating it was of sound mind, and that the document reflects their true intentions. Some of that is done if there's a will contest. Next, the court gives the personal representative legal authority to act. This includes collecting assets, paying off debts and taxes, and distributing what's left to the beneficiaries that are named in the will. Without this court-ordered authority, banks, creditors, and other institutions often won't release funds or transfer property. In mass, probate can be handled through informal or formal proceedings. Informal probate is quicker to start and used when there's little chance of dispute. Formal probate is required if there are questions about the will, disagreements among devisees or heirs, or there are other complexities. So why is this myth so harmful? Many people think that a will is all that they need to avoid the time and expense of probate, but that's not how it works. Probate can take years, and it involves costs that reduce the value of the estate. If avoiding probate is a goal, tools like a revocable trust can help. These allow assets to pass directly to beneficiaries without court involvement. But even with a trust, a will is still an important piece to handle anything left outside the trust. This myth about avoiding probate with a will creates unnecessary stress and confusion for families. That's why it's so important to understand how these tools actually work. If you've been relying on a will alone to avoid probate, let's have a conversation. Together we can build a plan that truly protects your family and saves them from the surprise of having to go through probate down the road.